Aloha guys, hope everyone's doing well. This video is just a quick video to share a little info that I was just shared when I was talking with DJI in their online chat when I was doing a pre-sale kind of thing. I wanted to inquire about my DJI Select membership because I was about to buy a Mavic 2 Pro with a smart controller because I'm kind of anxious. I don't have a smart controller at the moment, but I do have a Mavic Air 2, and as we all know, the Mavic Air 2 is now compatible with the smart controller, or vice versa. The smart controller is now compatible with the Mavic Air 2. And I want to get my hands on one and play because I really did enjoy the smart controller experience. I had a Mavic 2 Zoom with a smart controller that I ended up returning and buying the Mavic Air 2, but I enjoyed it a lot because it's so easy to get up and fly. You literally press a button, and then you press your button on your drone and you're up in the air within 30 seconds. And of course the display is super bright, but again, that's a whole entire video. But when I was talking to the chat regarding the 30-day return policy, the whole point of this was saying, hey, if I, for some reason, buy a Mavic 2 Pro right now and the Mavic 3 drops in a month or 25 days, I can return the drone with no issues. They said to me, yes, no problem, no restocking fees. With normal customers, it's 21 days, and with the DJI Select members, it's 30 days. So cool, right? And when I said to him that I was kind of worried if I buy a Mavic 2 Pro now, that the Mavic 3 will come out, and then I'm gonna, wish I didn't buy a Mavic 2, and I wish I would have held out. But he proceeded to say that the Mavic 3 does not have an official release date yet. And then we kind of got back to the whole return policy thing. And I mentioned I wonder if the Mavic 3 will come out early next year, like just trying to see if he had anything to say. And he said it will be posted on the website soon. I'm like, huh? That's kind of crazy that he just said it's going to be posted on the website soon. So again, to reiterate, he said for the Mavic 3, we will post it on our website soon, but no official date. But cool, right? I mean, I don't know. That's news to me that he actually said the Mavic 3 is going to be posted on the website soon. So I would imagine it's going to be a teaser along the lines of the Mavic 2. And I don't know if you guys remember when the actual teaser for the Mavic 2 was on DJI's website, how long after did the actual drone become available? So let me know if you guys are familiar with when that was and how long it was, because I don't know. What would you do? Would you buy a Mavic 2 Pro right now, or would you wait and see what was going to happen? I mean, I was actually informed by some people that had videos that they were saying basically if you don't have anything happening by November 1st, most likely the Mavic 3 is not going to happen, before the end of the year. And I guess that could be true, meaning it won't happen until 2021. But then other guys were saying that, hey, there may be an FPV drone that may drop before the end of the year. So I guess that's a possibility as well. I don't know why they wouldn't release the Mavic 3 for online holiday sales. To me, it seems ridiculous for them not to take advantage of this. But again, he said right now, just so you're aware, exactly verbatim, he said the company is focusing on the firmware updates to make DJI smart controllers and DJI goggles to be compatible with their latest drones. So that's what he basically said is being focused on now. But he then, again, suffixed that with the fact that it's going to be on the website very shortly. So I guess that's kind of cool. I would imagine in October that something regarding the Mavic 3 will be on DJI's website, whether that's just a little blip of, silhouette of it, or if there's going to be a little bit more about the drone or about what it's going to actually offer. But he did make it clear that there was no official release date. And he actually said, as employees, they really don't have any idea for new products. They just release the new products by surprise. So yeah, I guess I get that. Even if they do know, I doubt they do know. It's kind of like an Apple thing, I would imagine, or a lot of other companies too. But he did say a couple more times that the Mavic 3 is still out of the picture and that there once again are no updates as far as the release. So I just wanted to share with you that this agent did say that there will be something very shortly on DJI's website regarding the Mavic 3, and that there isn't an official release date. But again, like if they do put it on the website, what does that mean? I mean, how long could they keep it on the website for? 4 months? I would imagine, my guess is that they're not, I think this is what happened with the Mavic 2, if I could recall correctly. They had a really crazy Black Friday special, and they blew a lot of their stuff out. And then at the beginning of the year, they released the Mavic 2 series. So that's kind of what I'm thinking. I think they're going to actually put something on the website regarding the Mavic 3. This is my just guessing. They're going to have a killer Black Friday sale again, blowing out the Mavic 2s. And then the beginning of the year, the first quarter, probably January, February, they're going to come out with the Mavic 3 and drop it. That's my guess based on what I think happened last year. So I think the Black Friday holiday sales for DJI is basically going to be selling whatever they have for the Mavic 2 and the Mavic Air 2 and just pushing all of those products that they currently have, the Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0, and calling it a day. So that's my guesstimation on what possibly will happen with this Mavic 3 thing. But again, I just wanted to share the news that this agent said that there will be something on the website very shortly regarding the Mavic 3, and that's pretty cool. So again, what would you guys do? I think I'm going to buy the Mavic 2 Pro to get the 1-inch sensor and the 10-bit D-Log, and just to have better low light ability, and to have the smart controller, and then they have the smart controller to be compatible with my Mavic Air 2 now. So that's probably what I'm going to do. I'll probably pull the trigger soon. But again, let me know what you guys would do. If you can, subscribe. Trying to hit 1,000 subscribers sooner than later. Got a lot of cool stuff. I'm going to be heading back to Hawaii a little bit in the winter too. But thank you for the support. Hit the thumbs up button. Turn that guy blue. And I appreciate you. Aloha, guys. Peace.